The world is full of amazing and diverse creatures, but some of them are more deadly than others. In this video, we will count down the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world 2024, based on the number of human fatalities they cause, their venom potency, their aggression, and their threat status. Number 10. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus may look like a gentle giant, but it is actually one of the most aggressive and unpredictable animals in Africa. Hippos can weigh up to 3,000 kilograms and run up to 30 kilometers per hour, making them very hard to escape from. They are territorial and protective of their mates and offspring, and will attack anything that comes too close to their water sources. Hippos are responsible for an estimated 500 human deaths per year. Number 9. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest and most powerful living reptile, reaching up to 7 meters in length and 1,200 kilograms in weight. It inhabits the coastal regions of Asia, Australia, and Africa, and can swim in both saltwater and freshwater. The saltwater crocodile has a bite force of 16,414 newtons, which can crush bones and puncture metal. It is an ambush predator that waits for unsuspecting prey to come near the water, then drags them underwater and drowns them. The saltwater crocodile kills about 1,000 people per year. Number 8. African elephant. The African elephant is the largest and heaviest land animal, with males reaching up to 6 meters in height and 6,000 kilograms in weight. It lives in various habitats across Africa, and is highly intelligent and social. However, the African elephant can also be very dangerous, especially when it feels threatened, stressed, or provoked. It can charge at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, and use its massive tusks and trunk to gore, trample, or toss its enemies. The African elephant causes about 500 human deaths per year, mostly due to conflicts over land and resources. Number 7. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous animals in the world, with tentacles that can reach up to 3 meters in length and contain millions of microscopic stingers. It is found in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific region, and is almost invisible to the naked eye. The box jellyfish can deliver a painful and potentially fatal sting, which can cause cardiac arrest, paralysis, shock, and tissue necrosis. The box jellyfish is responsible for about 100 human deaths per year, and many more injuries. Number 6. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is a large and formidable bovine that lives in the savannas and forests of Africa. It can weigh up to 900 kilograms and have horns that span up to 1.5 meters. The Cape buffalo is known for its unpredictable and aggressive behavior, and will not hesitate to charge at anything that it perceives as a threat. It can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, and has been known to gore and toss lions, hyenas, and humans. The Cape buffalo kills about 200 people per year, and is considered one of the most dangerous game animals in Africa. Number 5. Black mamba. The black mamba is the fastest and most feared snake in Africa, capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and lengths of up to 4.5 meters. It is named for the black color of its mouth, which it displays when threatened. The black mamba has a highly potent neurotoxic venom, which can cause respiratory failure, cardiac arrest, and death within minutes. It is also very aggressive and will strike repeatedly if cornered or provoked. The black mamba causes about 20,000 human deaths per year, and is often regarded as the deadliest snake in the world. Number 4. Lion. Number 3. Great white shark. The great white shark is the largest and most notorious predatory fish in the ocean, measuring up to 6 meters in length and 2,000 kilograms in weight. It has a powerful jaw with rows of serrated teeth, which can rip apart its prey in a single bite. It is found in all major oceans, and prefers to hunt in cold, coastal waters. The great white shark is an opportunistic hunter, which means it will attack anything that moves or resembles its natural prey, such as seals, dolphins, fish, and humans. The great white shark is involved in about 50 human attacks per year, of which 10 are fatal. Number 2. Mosquito. The mosquito may seem like a harmless insect, but it is actually the deadliest animal in the world, killing more than 700,000 people per year. The mosquito is a vector for many diseases, such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, and West Nile virus, which can cause severe complications and fatalities. The mosquito is especially prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions, where it breeds in stagnant water and bites humans and animals. The mosquito is also becoming more resistant to insecticides and drugs, making it harder to control and prevent. Number 1. Human. The most dangerous animal in the world 2024 is none other than the human. Human is not an animal, but they are more dangerous than animals. Humans are responsible for more deaths and destruction than any other animal, both to themselves and to other species. Humans have caused wars, genocides, famines, diseases, pollution, deforestation, climate change, and mass extinctions, which have resulted in millions of casualties and irreversible damage to the planet. Humans have also exploited, hunted, and killed many other animals for food, sport, entertainment, and profit, driving many of them to the brink of extinction. Humans are the only animal that can consciously and deliberately harm others, and the only animal that can prevent and reverse the harm they have done. These are the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world 2024, but there are many more that pose a threat to humans and other living beings. The best way to avoid being harmed by these animals is to respect their habitats, avoid provoking them, and take precautions when encountering them. The best way to protect these animals is to conserve their habitats, reduce human-animal conflicts, and support wildlife conservation efforts. The best way to coexist with these animals is to appreciate their beauty, diversity, and role in the ecosystem, and to recognize that they are not evil, but simply trying to survive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.